never known for a dream, and never stop the fight no matter how hard it seems. You sacrifice and bleed, and you sweat and you cry, doing everything you can not to lay down and die. When you fall and you call out, there's no one to help, so you've got no other option but to pick up yourself. And in the end of the battle, you're the only one standing. Everyone watching the stage, you're commanding the pages of history and speak up today. And when they talk about the champion, this is what they'll say. Here's what it looks like, being the best. What it looks like to be a cut up of the rest. What it looks like, being the best. What it looks like to be a cut up of the rest. What it looks like, being the best. What it looks like to be a cut up of the rest. What it looks like, being the best. What it looks like to be a cut up of the rest. People will break you right down to nothing if you let them. They'll say there's a million others like you. What makes you better? But remember that these folks are afraid of the unknown. They're the ones who went to bed if they go 10 miles from home. Stand down! It's what they scream in your ear. The only weapon that they have to use is fear. So you take all the beatings and you take all the hits, but you're back on your feet for more. You don't quit! You'll never back down, never stop, never pause, never give up, never sacrifice a cause. This is your life. You gonna let somebody take it? Look in the mirror, that's all you need to make. Here's what it looks like, being the best. What it looks like to be a cut up of the rest. What it looks like, being the best. What it looks like to be a cut up of the rest. What it looks like, being the best. What it looks like to be a cut up of the rest. What it looks like, being the best. What it looks like to be a cut up of the rest. Smoke is all cleared and you own the throne. You're king of the castle and everybody knows. They bow in your presence and fear your might, cause they know for damn sure what it looks like. Being the best. What it looks like to be a cut up of the rest. What it looks like, being the best. What it looks like to be a cut up of the rest. What it looks like, being the best. What it looks like to be a cut up of the rest. What it looks like, being the best. What it looks like to be a cut up of the rest. 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 This is the real deal, not a test. Now society is calling out an SOS. Get down on the ground, put the earth to your ear. You feel that sound? That's revolution you hear. Welcome to the greatest battle of all time. We've just officially been targeted by our own kind. The time has arrived, now we're sounding the alarm. Band up, grab your loved ones, get everybody armed. Prime all the triggers and try to remain calm as we gather all the weapons and prepare the bomb. Now we got it on lockdown, we're ready to go. Get on the radio, send it out, let everybody know. The threat is getting closer, the sky's turning gray. It's right on the horizon, today is the day. It's within the city limits, rolling fast like a mist. Now we're caught up in the mist, this is it, the apocalypse. Since the very beginning of mankind, in every generation, every era in time, there is always coming instant when we must define who we are as a people, when we must cross the line. This is that moment, now you're gonna find exactly what you're really made of inside. When it comes right down to it, what you're gonna choose, to proudly hold your ground or just lie down and lose. The brave at the front lines ready for war, the enemy approaching outside the door. Dust off your voice box, time to be heard, and as the gate drops, we'll be screaming these words. This is our world, our streets, our war, our lives. This is what we fight for, our choice to make the wrong things right with our voice. We bring day to the night. This is our world, our streets, our war, our lives. This is what we fight for, our choice. We're the voice of the globe. Turn up the volume so everybody knows this is our world.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we please have your undivided attention as our featured guest speaker now takes the stage.
Camaraderie is an oddity now in this age. Silence becomes violence when it's mixed with rage. Tragedies and death, they say it's all a phase. Society lying to me, it's on the front page. Homicide, genocides can't run the streets. If you're sagging and you're flagging, it's cold, you keep the heat. I understand your plan, be strong, not weak. My gut feeling is this killer's gonna make us obsolete. Let's defy, not rely on negativity. We gotta take over these communities. Analyze, capitalize opportunities. Speaking of change ain't strange, it all starts with me.